What if I told you some malware doesn't want to be removed at all? No matter how many scans you run, no matter how many tools you install, it keeps coming back. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I removed an unremovable malware from a PC, step by step. Welcome to Antivirus, a channel dedicated to cybersecurity education. Whether you're a cybersecurity expert, tech-savvy, or someone who just wants to stay safe online, this channel is for you. Here, we break down real cyber threats, real attacks, and real solutions in a way that anyone can understand. In today's video, the agenda is simple: how I remove an unremovable malware from a PC. Let's talk about what made this malware so dangerous. This system was infected with persistent malware, the kind that hides in startup entries, scheduled tasks, and system registries. Every time the PC rebooted, it came back. Antivirus scan? Failed. Manual deletion? Failed. Safe mode cleanup? Failed. That's why people call it unremovable. Most antivirus software relies on known signatures, but modern malware uses obfuscation, rootkit techniques, and scheduled persistence to stay hidden. So even when it looks like it's gone, it's not. Disclaimer: this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only. To remove stubborn malware, you have to think like the attacker. Kill active processes, remove persistence mechanisms, clean registry entries, scan offline where malware can't hide. This is where TronScript comes in. TronScript is a powerful cleanup tool designed to automate what professionals do manually. It disables malware startup points, cleans temporary files, resets system policies, and removes deeply embedded threats. This process takes time, but patience is critical. No theory, no guesswork, just real-world cleanup. Let's get started. To begin with, we are going to download TronScript. Once the download is complete, open the file from your Downloads folder. You will notice that it is already extracted. Run the file, and it will open two folders. From the two newly created folders, open the Tron folder. Next, open the Resources folder. Inside the Resources folder, you will see a series of folders categorized as Stage 0 through 9. For this tutorial, we will only be using Stage 0, Prep, and Stage 3, Disinfect. Open the Stage 0 folder and run the Windows batch file to prepare the PC. Wait patiently while the preparation process begins. You'll see multiple tasks launching automatically. This includes rkill, or rootkit killer, the process killer, and the TDSS killer. Note, this is not an ad for TronScript. This is just the selected app for this process. Once the preparation stage is complete, we move on to stage 3, disinfect. Open the folder and run the Windows batch file. And voila! The PC disinfection process begins. Malwarebytes anti-malware will be installed automatically. You will see its shortcut appear on the desktop. Malwarebytes will carefully scan all running processes, detect malware, and remove adware. Immediately after Malwarebytes finishes, the Kaspersky virus removal tool scan will begin. This process may take some time, depending on the number of running processes.
Once the scan is complete, you can check the PC to see if any malware or viruses were detected and placed in the quarantine folder. And voila, it's empty.
After cleanup, verification is everything. No suspicious startup entries, no unknown scheduled tasks, CPU usage stable, network traffic normal, and most importantly, the malware never came back. Here's the biggest lesson. Prevention is easier than cleanup. Avoid cracked software, suspicious email attachments, unknown downloads, and fake updates. And always keep backups. This video is strictly for educational purposes. We do not encourage or support any illegal or malicious activity. If this video helped you understand how real malware removal works, give it a like. Subscribe to Timelapse for more real cybersecurity breakdowns, from phishing attacks to malware cleanup. Stay cyber aware, stay protected, and I'll see you in the next one.